Good afternoon, viewers. This is Women Empowerment and Legal Aid, our usual program. We are back again. Yes, Fumi and Rufus are here today. I'm sure you remember the case of Rufus. We could not conclude this case, the case between Fumi and Rufus. Fumi had reported to us sometimes about 2 or 3 weeks ago now that the husband abandoned her with 2 children. Yes, we spoke with Rufus. We called in Rufus. Rufus came here to tell his own side of the story. Yes, we have been able to resolve at least partially the issue between them. Now this morning they are here. Fumi and Rufus are here this morning so that we can finalize the issues between them and we can have amicable settlement, at least resolve the issues concerning their children. Yes, Fumi, you are welcome here. Yes, and Rufus, you are welcome. Yes, what is the position now? Can we start from Fumi? Can you tell us the position? Give us feedback. The last time you came here, we agreed that Rufus will be giving you a particular amount every month for the feeding of the children, and he will also pay the school fees of the children. Meanwhile, the children will be staying with you and you will have access to them. So what has happened since then? Can you let us know so that we can conclude this case once and for all? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. What's your remedy from the OSEBI?
You are not feeling fine. Sorry about that. Yes,
thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Only ìgbà tó sọ pé àwọn máa san owó lesson for now.
Yes.
Then wọ́n máa fún wọn lówó oúnjẹ.
Yes, the children will be going to lesson now. They will return to school in September, isn't it? And he will pay their school fees. Now for this period, because this is third time, they cannot begin school, so they will be going to lessons, isn't it? Shall someone lesson? Well, has he paid for the lesson?
Then.
Okay, fine, very good. And has he paid for the feeding allowance?
Oh no, what's the song?
Okay. Wọ́n ló sọ pé òun sọ sí wílà àkáǹtì àárín kankan wọ́n ní kò tí ì sọ wọ́n ti àkáǹtì lóko rí. But let us listen to yes, okay, you just very good. Can you listen to can we listen to you now? Tell us your side of the story. Rufus.
Thank you. I'm really appreciative.
Yes.
Lórí issue tá a sọ the last time, when mama respond for school fees.
Yes.
Àti lesson.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, kì í ṣe pé lesson làwọn máa lọ final forever wọ́n máa kàn lọ fún lesson ní táàmù.
Èmi ni mo máa respond fún school fees.
Very good. Wọ́n máa padà sí school. Very good.
Mo sọ everything nígbà yẹn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So nísìnyí month iṣẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ń sìn la.
Very good.
So mo bèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn sìn. Ó náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ lesson, wọ́n ti start lesson lánàá.
Very good.
So mo ní máa lọ mọ lesson yẹn.
Very good.
Because ìdí tó sọ fún mi kàn get inside. Ó tún the next street sílé wọn ni.
Okay, very good.
Because ibi tẹ́mi get to dey 4th street ni.
Okay.
So mo ní máa lọ mọ bẹ̀ lẹ́nu.
Very good.
Máa lọ rí uncle teach wọn ní lesson. Because àwọn yẹn lé ọkùnrin lẹ́nu yẹn, mo ní máa lọ rí uncle wọn yẹn.
Very good.
So mo ní máa lọ sanwó.
Very good.
The normal owó oúnjẹ tí mo ní máa san every month 15,000.
Yes.
Mi ti san ẹ́sà àkáǹtì láti àárọ̀ àná.
Okay, very good. It's alright.
So
you will give the social officer now the copy of the receipt so that the money will be transferred to her immediately. Very good, thank you. So that is wonderful. Is there any other thing you want us to resolve? So we have been able to resolve this matter and I'm happy, I'm very happy.
I have any other thing.
Yes, the father will be paying the school fees and he said he has started paying the feeding allowance now for this month, which is good. I think I should clap for him. Yes. Are you happy? Yes, Fumi is happy and she's saying thank you. And I also want you to maintain peace, please. Let him, when you want to see your children, you go and see your children. And you make sure you take care of your children and continue to live with peace. Yes, you want to tell me another thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Nǹkan tí mo tún need ni pé mo ní láti ṣiṣẹ́ because ọkùnrin làwọn yẹn. Mo ní láti máa monitor wọn kí n máa wo movement wọn. So nǹkan tí mo need the last time tá a wá ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa issue pé wọn lè máa wá sí church. Mo dey accept nígbà yẹn. But mo rí pé mo jókòó mo think about it. Iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe òfin láyè ní gbogbo Sunday. Ibi tó ń gbé dẹ́ṣì ní ẹ̀sìn church ni mo wà tí mo fi fẹ́ ni mo wà tí mo fi bí àwọn ọmọ. Bí mo nǹkan tó lè difficult fún mi láti máa wá sí church ó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ Sunday yẹn because ìgbà míì wà mo máa rí benefit mi tí mo ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ tí má tiẹ̀ fẹ́ pé ìgbà míì mo lè decide bóyá mo ní nǹkan kan mo fẹ́ rán aṣọ sí wọn lọ́rùn. Màá lè ní free access láti mú tailor kó wá take measurement àfi mo fẹ́ ṣe anything. Nísìnyí báyìí I'm plan to kí n máa ra school bàtà school wọn ti gbó pé kí n máa ṣe àwọn nǹkan díẹ̀díẹ̀.
Má worry Rufus àwọn ọmọ yẹn ó ní òun ní church tiẹ̀ torí kì í ṣe ìyàwó fẹ́ra yín mọ́. Òun ní church tiẹ̀ kò lè máa kó àwọn ọmọ ó ní láti rí adult tó máa kó wọn lọ church so á máa kó wọn lọ church tiẹ̀ but tí o bá wà ní church tó bá fẹ́ ní wọn wá láti church ẹ̀ wá mú wọn wá ti sọ time tó fẹ́ wá mú wọn o ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ kó fún wọn ni o ní nǹkan tó fẹ́ o fẹ́ kó wá wọ measurement wọn ni wá kó wọn ọjọ́ yẹn á fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ fún ẹ àbí mo parọ́ á fi wọ́n sílẹ̀ fún ẹ lọ́jọ́ yẹn ṣó ti yẹ wàá dẹ̀ kó wọn lọ church wàá measure wọn bẹ̀ but pé kó máa kó wọn wá sí church regularly yẹn kò lè convenient fún because òun náà máa lọ church tẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ yẹ kí àgbàlagbà wà pẹ̀lú àwọn ní church so ó gbọ́dọ̀ wà pẹ̀lú wọn ní àwọn gbọ́dọ̀ kó wọn lọ church so as to train them in the way of the Lord.
Church mi.
Because òun ló ń gbé pẹ̀lú wọn.
Church tí mò ń lọ bí street kẹrin sí ilé ẹ̀ ni.
Òun ní church tiẹ̀ ṣé church yẹn.
Ó ní church òun ṣe gbogbo àwọn lọ church school yẹn iṣẹ́ náà ó ṣe gbogbo láti.
Ọjọ́ tó bá ti nílé lọ church wàá sọ fún kó wá kó àwọn ọmọ ìlọ church ṣé ó ti dà bẹ́ẹ̀ àbí.
Wọ́n ti ẹ̀lẹ́ tó bá sọ fún wọn tó bá ti jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé òun ń lọ bí iṣẹ́ lè ní o ilé ibi tó ń gbé kò jìnnà sí church ni.
wà wá kó wọn báyẹn mẹ́rin káwọn ọmọ máa fẹsẹ̀ ní wa o.
Kò jìn rárá.
ó risky o no don't allow those two little children to be walking across.
The reason why tí mo ṣe fẹ́ láti ṣe pé mo fẹ́ ní ìṣù pé bóyá ó ń wá sọ́dọ̀ mi àbí nǹkan kan.
no ṣé ìjà máa wà ní ó lè kó wọn sí ẹnu ọ̀nà ta tó bá ti jẹ́ pé ìta ni wàá ti kó wọn wà á dẹ̀ kó wọn níta wà á tún dá wọn padà ó bẹ́tà ẹ má máa jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ máa rìn káàkiri kó dáa on the street ọjọ́ tó bá ti nílé ìráyè kó wọn lọ church àjẹ́ kó mọ̀ àbí fún mi.
ọjọ́ tó bá fẹ́ rí wọn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ náà junction ọ̀dọ̀ wa máa kó wọn dé.
wọ́n ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe náà nìyẹn which is okay. It's alright.
There's another thing because mo lè bí ọmọ kí n máa ní free access.
you have free access o. Tó bá ti fẹ́ kó wá sọ ilé lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ wá jẹ́ kó mọ̀.
Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ kọ́ fà sọ ilé máa jẹ́ kó mọ̀ máa jẹ́ kí ẹ̀ mọ̀
nípa. It's your right yes it's your right.
Mo fẹ́ kí.
Jẹ́ kó sọ tiẹ̀ wá sọ.
Kó jẹ́ táìmù tó bá bọ́ sí birthday date wọn mo fẹ́ máa kí n lè rí wọn.
It's okay.
Wọ́n lè fi lọ́dọ̀ yẹn.
Kò ṣe patí fún wọn ìyàwó gan wà á náà ẹ̀jíjọ máa ṣe patí ẹ̀jíjọ ya fọ́tò bí ìwọ nìkan kọ́ ló bí wọn ẹ̀jíjọ ya fọ́tò pẹ̀lú ìyàwó pàápàá. Yes it's okay it's very good we put it in the undertaking.
àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ kó má yọjú sí wọn tàbí kó má rí wọn. dẹ́nu ò fẹ́ kí wọ́n máa ká ọmọ láti bíbá ẹ lọ sí Ìbàdàn kó máa lọ ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì mẹ́ta. tẹ́lẹ̀
dúró ibo ló ń gbé ṣé Ìbàdàn ló ń gbé.
ní ọdún tó kọjá lọ wọ́n lọ sọdún lọ́dọ̀ wọn ọmọ yẹn lu ọdún ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì nìbàdàn mi ò ní kó má lọ bá girama ṣeré ó pẹ́ ju 2 days kó padà wá sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ torí wọn gbé níbẹ̀ ọmọ yẹn ń complain fún mi gbà tó dé pé àwọn ò láì báwọn ṣe lọ dúró síbẹ̀ pé torí àwọn ò ní tẹ̀lé wọn lọ sí.
ìbọ̀lídé náà ni ẹ máa arrange ẹ máa decide no problem yóò kì í ṣe pọ́n fẹ́ lọ máa gbé lọ́dọ̀ girama tó bá fẹ́ kí girama
ẹ
decide
ẹ jẹ́ kí n declare last year wọn lọ school last year yẹn tí wọn lọ school ní towards end yẹn tí wọn ọdún ẹ̀ náà wà mo dẹ̀ sọ fún táìmù yẹn pé táwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti wá sọ́dọ̀ mi ní táìmù ọlọ́dẹ tó fẹ́ gbọ́lídé torí wọn lọ school ní last year December tó ṣe exam second term àbí first term lọ́wọ́ yẹn ó làwọn ọmọ yẹn ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ rántí pé mo sọ pé kán lé wọn sílé nígbà kan sọ pé wọ́n sanwó school fees so mo wá sọ fún pé táwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ti wá sọ́dọ̀ mi fún ọlọ́dẹ tó ń gbà nínú ọdún mo ò ní sanwó kankan mọ́ o so ló fi jẹ́ làwọn ọmọ yẹn fi wá sọ́dọ̀ mi nínú ọdún so gbogbo COVID issue yẹn ó affect iṣẹ́ tiwa àwọn ò lọ bí iṣẹ́ so time yẹn mo ní advantage torí mo lọ bí iṣẹ́ mi àtàwọn ọmọ mi jọ travel fún ọdún Christmas àti New Year Ìbàdàn láti ṣe a dẹ̀ ti padà bóyá on the 4 láti padà sí.
ok ó nítorí covid yẹn tí àwọn ọmọ olùbíṣẹ́ tó ní olùbíṣẹ́.
èmi tí mo ṣiṣẹ́ driver ò ní
ìyẹn láàyè yẹn ti gbà ayẹyẹ ò lè gbà àwọn ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tàbá àwọn ọmọ náà máa lọ
mo ṣe máa ṣiṣẹ́ driver tí máa lọ tú tí ní kan.
kò lè lọ dump.
ṣe driver mo ń ṣe
you wait listen to me ó lè lọ dump àwọn ọmọ síbàdàn kí wọ́n wà kò possible so títọ́ that's okay.
láéláé.
it's alright any other thing ta ló tún lọ́rọ̀ láti sọ.
I'm okay ma.
okay ìwọ kọ́. Okay, very good. I am happy this is ending on a very good note and a very mutual one at that. So we have all agreed now that Rufus will be paying a monthly allowance of, is it 15,000? I can't remember.
Yes, ma'am.
15,000 naira. Then you will pay the school fees. Then the children, you will have access to the children. Anytime you want to see the children, you will let your wife know that you want to see the children, then you can pick them up. Thank you very much. Please, I want you to maintain peace and wọ́n ní Yorùbá sọ pé ẹni tó bá ti bímọ fún ni nǹkan. So kò sí ibi tẹ́lẹ̀ tí ara yín sí wàá rí i pé lọ́jọ́ iwájú táwọn ọmọ yẹn fẹ́ ṣe graduation ẹ̀ jíjọ wà ń bẹ̀. Tó bá fẹ́ ṣe birthday ẹ̀ jíjọ wà ń bẹ̀ ni. Kí láti ẹ̀ ń sọ báyìí bóyá before we know what is happening a ti rí ẹ̀yin méjèèjì tẹ́lẹ̀ tó ti padà. Ó yé Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. I'm clapping for you torí polo sọ polo. We are putting everything into the hand of God. Okay. Yeah, ara fún mi ò yá ṣé ó ti kí. She's not feeling fine. Ṣé ó ti kí dáadáa?
Mi ti kí.
No, you must kí dáadáa. O gbọ́dọ̀ kí dáadáa. Mi ti kí
gbọ́dọ̀ rò pé kí ló ṣe lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
O gbọ́dọ̀ kí dáadáa torí òun ló gbé ọmọ tó fáìn méjì yẹn òun ló gbé fún ẹ. Okay, well, thank you. That's by the way. Thank you very much.
I really appreciate it, man.
Yes, thank you. Yes. Thank you, everybody. It's been a wonderful time, and we're happy we have been able to resolve the issues between Fumi and Rufus. It's a wonderful time, and we're happy we have been able to sort these issues out today. Yes, please remember you can always walk up to us in our office at number 25 Adekunle Fajuyiwe, GRA Ikeja, to seek redress anytime you discover that your human right is being violated or is likely to be violated. Remember, you're going to get our assistance at no cost at all. Nobody is going to collect money from you. Everything is done free of charge. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. It's been a wonderful time here again. And please remember, human right is your property. Your right is your right. Do not forget to please respect the rights of that woman, respect the rights of that child, and respect the rights of that man. Until next week, I want to wish you a wonderful day at work, and I say, God bless you all.